Audi recently revealed the 2026 Audi A5, a sleek and dynamic addition to its lineup, replacing the outgoing A4 and introducing a fresh take on the compact luxury segment. Built on the new premium platform combustion (PPC), the A5 arrives as a hatchback-style sportback and a traditional Avant wagon, competing head-on with the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Set to launch in U.S. dealerships in mid-2025, the A5 combines bold design, advanced technology, and spirited performance, making it a standout in the compact luxury market. The 2026 A5 embraces a bold, modern aesthetic with a drag coefficient of 0.25 achieved through a streamlined silhouette, optimized air inlets, and a sloping roofline on the Sportback model. Measuring 191.3 inches in length with a 113.7-inch wheelbase, the A5 is slightly larger than the A4, offering a spacious 16.9 cubic foot trunk in the Sportback, expandable to 45.2 cubic feet with seats folded, and even greater cargo versatility in the Avant. The exterior features a wider single-frame grille, slim matrix LED headlights, and sculpted quattro blisters, giving it a muscular yet refined presence. Available in 19 to 21-inch wheel options, the A5 also offers an Edition 1 package with exclusive Daytona gray paint, black optic accents, and 20-inch wheels for a sporty premium look. The Avant, though not confirmed for the US, hints at Audi's commitment to versatile body styles, potentially appealing to buyers seeking practicality without sacrificing elegance.
The A5's cabin is a technological marvel centered around Audi's digital stage, which integrates a 14.5-inch central touchscreen and an 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster. An optional 10.9-inch passenger display supports video streaming and web browsing, ensuring entertainment without distracting the driver. A larger head-up display, up 85% in size, projects navigation and speed data clearly. Enhanced soundproofing with acoustic glazing and improved seals reduces cabin noise by 25%, creating a serene environment for long drives. Premium materials define the interior with standard leather seats, optional Valcona leather with massage functions, and a panoramic sunroof with adjustable opacity. The 830-watt 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers crisp audio, while 4-zone climate control ensures comfort for all. However, some eco-friendly features, like recycled material upholstery available in Europe, are not offered in the US, which may disappoint sustainability-focused buyers. 2026 A5 in the US is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, a significant boost over the A4's 201 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and standard quattro all-wheel drive, the A5 offers responsive acceleration and confident handling. Unlike European models, which include mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency, the US version relies solely on its combustion engine, with fuel economy figures still undisclosed. The A5 offers 3 suspension setups: standard steel springs, a sport suspension lowered by 0.8 inches, and an adaptive air suspension for adjustable ride height and comfort. Optional rear-wheel steering reduces the turning circle by nearly 3 feet, enhancing agility in tight spaces. The updated steering system and brake-by-wire technology provide precise feedback, balancing sportiness with luxury. Starting around $50,000, the A5 is competitively priced against its rivals. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, with advanced options like predictive efficiency assist available. In 2024, Audi sold approximately 12,000 A4s in the US, and A5 aims to build on that with its hatchback versatility and modern design. While the sedan market continues to shrink, favoring SUVs like Audi's Q3, the A5's sportback styling and tech-forward approach appeal to buyers seeking a blend of practicality and sophistication.